Welcome to HelpDesk. In this video, I'll show you how to bring back the YouTube dislike count using a simple Chrome extension and how to customize the way it's displayed. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type return YouTube dislike and hit enter. From the search results, click on the extension called return YouTube dislike and select add to Chrome. Add extension to proceed. Once the extension is installed, you'll see an icon added to your extensions list. To make it easier to access, pin the Return YouTube Dislike extension. Now it will stay visible and ready to use right away. Now go back to YouTube, refresh the page, and voila! The dislike count is back. For more control, you can customize how the dislike count appears. Click on the extension icon and explore the options. If you want to see just how much people really didn't like something. Minecraft movie trailer, I'm looking at you. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more useful tips.